In this video, you will learn the easy and simple method of cutting and sewing hand gloves, beautiful hand gloves. And in order to achieve that, the first thing I did was to measure my arm from the tip of my longest finger to where I desire my gloves to reach. You will measure to that exact point where you want the length of your glove to be. Then I measure around the edge, the hem of my glove. Then I wrote the measurements down. Now the next thing I did was to take a piece of paper, a piece of pattern paper, and on it I laid my hand with my fingers spread out like so, up to the place where I want my glove to reach. And with my pen, I decided to trace around my finger. Make sure your pen is slanted outward. Don't bend it inside under your arm because it will give you a smaller measurement. Always make sure it is bent outward a bit, like so. Make sure it's slant outward. Then I trace around my arm and my fingers. Spread out your fingers very well in order for you to be able to add sewing allowance later on. You need to make sure your fingers are well spread out. Now, this is what I have after tracing out my finger. This is me confirming my measurement which I made earlier on, and I mark it out in order to draw the extent of my glove to cut it. And I added 1 inch allowance for folding in the hem of the glove. And after that, I decided to add 0.5 inches sewing allowance round the glove. I added 0.5 inches sewing allowance, and after which the next thing is to cut out my pattern, to cut out my glove pattern like so. This is what I have after cutting out my glove. Now this is the fabric I'm using to make the glove. Make sure the fabric you choose is a stretchy fabric. It should stretch on the two sides, vertically and horizontally. Make sure the fabric is stretchy on the two ways, vertically and horizontally. Then I folded it over and placed my pattern, my glove pattern on it, using my office pin to pin it down onto the fabric like so. After pinning it down, the next thing is to cut out the glove pattern on the fabric. Just take your time, don't rush it. Make sure you are not pulling the fabric, and gently cut between the fingers. After cutting out my glove, I decided to notch in between the fingers. Make sure you notch it very well in order for you to be able to have the right measurement. Then cut out any excess fabric at the sewing allowance. Now, after cutting out the glove, after removing the pattern, this is what I have. This is how it's looking like. Now the next thing is to stitch around the edges, going around the fingers and stitching it using 0.5 inches. You have to take your time to do this. Take your time, be gentle and patient while doing it. Now, after going to my sewing machine to sew my gloves, this is what I have. And I also notch it again. I notch in between the fingers because of the sewing allowance remaining there. I notch in between in order for the fingers to be able to separate correctly. I also cut out all the excess fabric left over by the sewing allowance. Make sure you trim them out in order for the glove not to be bulky after you have worn it. Now the next thing is to turn it out. Take your time. Also take your time here to turn out your glove. You can use a long slim object to bring out each finger, or you use your hand to bring them out, each of the fingers. Now after turning it to the right side, this is what I have, and this is me wearing it. After wearing it, this is the glove. This is what I have. You can see how beautiful and lovely it's looking like. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching. Also put on your notification bell in order for you to be notified the next time I post a well-explained video such as this. You can make as many gloves as you desire just by following this video. Thank you very much.